Hey everyone! So if you're like us, you occasionally take your Jeep to play in the mud, and obviously that presents a huge issue because you are left with tons of mud on your undercarriage. I have been trying to find a way to clean it, and so I'm trying out a new product today that I got off Amazon that is meant to attach to a pressure washer to clean the undercarriage. So let's take a look and see if it actually works. Okay, so here is the product. It's just like a little attachment that goes on your pressure washer. It's got two little attachments, so it goes long, just two little wheels, and then four nozzles, so that hopefully it can clean the undercarriage a little bit better than me trying to get under there with a normal pressure washer. So let's see how it goes. All right, so as you can see, it just basically connects to the end of the pressure washer. So let's see what this can do. So the verdict on this is that it definitely helps. Didn't get it perfect. We have quite a bit of old dried mud under there though, so at least it got a little bit of a rinse, and then eventually we'll clean it much better. But it's 111 outside, so I'm gonna abandon this mission and call it this product works pretty well. Probably should have used it within a day or two of playing in the mud, but it's actually been a couple months since we've played in the mud, so I think ours is just a little too stuck on to really get it out. But thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. We'll be releasing a lot of new content soon. Take care.